Your imagination is the key to unlocking your laser. With that laser, you'll cross into a land of both creativity and ideas. You just crossed into the Maker Zone. October, a truly haunted time of the year. Goblins, ghouls, and ghosts consume our thoughts as we make decorations and costumes in preparation for the last night of the month, Halloween. This, as you may recognize, is a laser cutter. We invite you, if you dare, to use your laser to make a Halloween project and post it on Facebook or Instagram. Use the hashtag MadeWithFSL, because your project may be selected to win. Invite your family and friends to watch the live show on the 26th of October. Have them vote for your project in the comments during the live show. The person with the most votes in the comments during the live show will win, and it will be featured live inside the Laser Lab.